Hello everyone! My name is Mary Rose Frances Lagrama and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you how to draw a nose in different angles. Before we start, let's have a quick random shout out. Shout out to Rajib Biswas and Melissa Briseño. Thank you so much for subscribing and for your support. I really appreciate it, and to all my subscribers, thank you so much. If you want to be mentioned, just comment and subscribe. If you want to watch my other videos, just go to the videos. I also have some playlists for giveaway, tutorial, time-lapse, and unboxing and review. So, let's start! First, draw some circles. A big one and two small circles. Then, draw a vertical line in each sides of the big circle. Make it a little slant towards the center. Then, add some details to the ala of the nose. It is like we're adding some skin tissues to the ala of the nose. Now, we are changing our pencil from HB to 2B. Third, add some shadows. We are going to do this by following the outline that we have made from our first and second steps. Avoid putting too much pressure on the pencil so that there will be no dents on the paper. And we're still going to use the same pencil, the 2B graphite pencil, and we are going to do the nostrils of the nose. You can do this by applying a little pressure to the paper, and nostrils looks like a crescent moon. Fourth, blend the shadows. By doing this, all we have to do is follow the third step, and we are just going to smudge it using our blending stump. The shadows that we have made is not literally the shadows, but this is the outline of the nose. A nose doesn't have any harsh outline in it, and that is a common mistake of beginners. They put a harsh or hard line in the nose bridge or in the ala. A nose should have a soft edges, especially when the face is facing forward. So again, by using this blending stump, all we have to do is follow the outlines that we have created. Fifth, erase some parts. You can use a kneaded eraser or any eraser that you have. We are erasing some parts of the nose in order to create some highlights. So here I am fixing some sides of the nose to eliminate the harsh lines that I've created due to the erasing. Now I'm adding some outlines here and then some shadows here for the dark tones. In this part, I'm still using the 2B graphite pencil, and I am blending it using the blending stump, and I am fixing some parts here using the blending stump. In this part, I'm adding some dark details in the nostrils. And we are almost done. A little erase here, and then we are done. Our next nose is a little bit side view. This is not the full view, so you can still see the other nostril. So by doing this, we have to draw one big circle and one small circle. Then we have to draw a little bit slant vertical line for the nose bridge. And now we are drawing the nostril using the 2B pencil. By drawing these nostrils, we have to draw it in thinner lines. Our next step is adding some shadows. By doing this, we have to follow our outline. As you can observe, my shadows are not dark. It is because my blending stump is dirty from my previous drawings. So, if you have a clean blending stump, you have to darken your shadows. Again, the shadows that I am referring to is the outline of the nose. Nose should have a soft edge. You can do this by using the blending stump to smoothen the edges of your drawings. So in this part, I'm adding some flesh to the side of the nose. In this part, I am still using the Graphite 2B pencil. I am using this pencil to add some dark tones in my nose. So to blend this pencil, I am using the blending stump. And to make your edges or sides of the nose dark, you just have to follow the outlines that we have created using the blending stump. And here I am adding again some dark tones using the 2B pencil, and I am going to refine some details here and also here, and I am going to blend it using the blending stump to avoid hard edges or sharp lines. It also makes some natural look. So if you don't have any blending stump, I can help you with that. So watch out for my future videos because I will teach you how to do that. So in this part, I am using the kneaded eraser to create some highlights, and I'm blending it again. Then I am going to erase it again to add some highlights. So in this part, I've noticed that I have to do some retouch on the first nose. And now I am done with the first and also to the second nose. For our last view of nose, this is a side view, and we can only see one nostril in this nose. So by drawing the nose, we have to draw one big circle and one small circle. Next, the nose bridge. And I'm adding some flesh here in the ala. So here I am using the 2B pencil, and now we are going to draw the nostril, and it's a little bit thick but not so thick. And next we are going to add some shadows. So again, this shadows is the outline of the nose. Then after making the shadows, we have to blend it using our blending stump. Do this by following the outline or the shadows that we have created. Then next, I am smudging it to the other parts of the nose. So if you have any reference, if it is colored, make sure to convert it into black and white so that when you are copying it, you know where the highlights are. And now I'm outlining the edges of the nose, and I'm using the blending stump to smoothen it out. So here I am just refining some details using the blending stump, and now I am using the Graphite 2B pencil. Since I made it a little big, I am erasing it using my kneaded eraser, or if you don't have any kneaded eraser, you can use any eraser that you have in your house. So I'm using again the blending stump to smoothen the edges that I have just created. And here I am just repeating the steps that I've created, adding some details and blending it using the blending stump. So if you are still watching, if you like this video, please click the like button and share it to your friends. And if you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button. And I am using the kneaded eraser to add some highlights. So if you are new here, I have new videos every Wednesday. So please click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you will be updated every time that I have new videos. If you want to follow me on my social media accounts, I have Instagram. My name is maryrose.frances, and also I have a Facebook page. The name is mrfmlsart, and also I have Twitter @rose. If you have any questions, just comment and I will answer it. If you have any requests of tutorials or unboxing and review, just comment and I will try to do it. I am also open for sponsorship. Just email me at lagramafrances32@gmail.com. And also the links of my social media accounts and Gmail are in the description box. That's it. Thank you so much for watching.